This is tips about algebraic expression. Okay, the first one is if you find this type of algebraic expression, okay, a square minus b square, you have to remember actually this one will be a minus b, a plus b. Okay, one must be negative, another one must be positive. Remember, only this form. Okay, the second one, it might be like this: a plus b, all the a plus b in a bracket, the square is outside. So this one means this a plus b multiply itself twice. Okay, so as the shortcut, it will be like this. Okay, first of all, the first one, you multiply itself, so it will be a times a square, and then the second one is b. Don't forget to look at the operation also. This all means that positive b, okay, positive b times positive b, it will be positive b square. Okay, you have to put it at the back, and then at the middle one you have to multiply the unknown inside with 2. Okay, so for this case it will be 2 times a times positive b. Okay, I repeat, 2 times positive a times positive b, so it will be positive 2ab. Okay, can you follow that? And that is why, okay, the third one will be, it might be like this: a minus b. Remember, this one, all a and b will be in a bracket. Okay, the square is outside. What will it be? Okay, so you have to take the first one, a times a, it will be a square. Okay, this one I'll adjust it. Okay, a square, and then negative b times negative b, it will be positive b square, and at the middle one, what should it be? 2 times positive a times negative b, so what will it be? Yeah, it will be minus 2ab. Okay, got it? And then the next tip is, I'll give you example: 3 minus 4x. So what you should do here, what you should do is 2 times 3, multiply it 1 by 1. 2 times 3, it will be equals to 6. And then 2 times negative 4x equals to negative 8x. So this is the answer. Okay, remember to expand it 1 by 1 so that you won't forget to multiply either one. Okay, and then the next tip is, this one is actually common mistake. Okay, my student also common to do the mistake. Okay, for example, I give you this: 2x plus 4 over 6. Okay, so here there's my student who loves to do just like this. Oh, simplify like this. Okay, can it be like that? No, totally wrong. You cannot do like this. Okay, cannot. What you should do is you have to factorize out first. So here I'll write it back: 2x plus 4 over 6. What you should do is factorize out. Okay, so means that this numerator bring out the same thing, so it will be 2 in a bracket x plus 2 over 6. Okay, now then you can simplify it, become like this. Okay, so don't forget the steps. The next tip is when it's involved multiplication. Okay, this is the next tip. We have here example: 4x square minus 1 over x. Okay, divide with 2x minus 1 over 2x. Okay, just remember, if this topic, okay, you must factorize out which one that you can factorize. Okay, for this case, this one is actually look like this. Okay, this one is very famous. So what you should do here is this one actually will be 2x square minus 1 square. Okay, to make it clear, just like the example in number 1. Okay, and then you have to divide by x, and then the next step is what you should do to the divide here. Okay, you have to change it to become multiply, and then this one, okay, the fraction after the divide, after the operation, change the place, so it will be 2x over 2x minus 1. Okay, then the next step, this one will be 2x minus 1, another one must be plus, okay, over x multiply with 2x over 2x minus 1. Now you can simplify. Which one that you can simplify? There's 2x, you can, okay, simplify with this, and this x, okay, you can simplify with this. Now the answer will be 2x plus 1. Very easy, right? The second example is like this. Okay, here we have algebraic expression that you need to minus. Okay, it's not multiply. Okay, what you should do is you have to make the denominator same or equal, means this one. Okay, so now how to make it same? This 4m, I think no need to change. You just need to multiply this 2 with 2m. Then it will be 4m, just like the second algebraic. Okay, but then it's not fair if you just only multiply 2m at the denominator. You have to multiply the 2m at the numerator also. Okay, now the next step is you have to do a bracket here, because this is very common questions and common mistakes that students do. Okay, because question usually comes out operation minus here. Okay, so now the next step will be over 4m, and then the numerator here will be 2m square. And here, why I ask you to do the bracket? Because you have to do this. Okay, you have to multiply the operation or the numbers outside of the bracket with the number inside. Okay, so it will be here negative times 3, so it will be negative 3. And then this negative also you must multiply with negative 2m square. Okay, so it will be positive 2m square. Yeah, this is actually the common mistake. They usually forget to multiply the negative and negative. Okay, and then you can solve it. Will be 4 here we have square. Okay, 4m square minus 3 over 4m. Okay, now can it be simplified? No, it couldn't be, because if you want to simplify, you have to factorize out the numerator first. But now for this question, you cannot factorize out anything, so don't simplify. This is the simpler one. Okay, so hopefully these tips can help you. Thank you.